Good day everyone, we are the Group 7 and today we are going to present our infographics and later on we will announce who is the best infographics at the end of our presentation. So let's start with me. So this is my infographics. As you can see, the content is about generative AI based in our finals project. There are 5 tips here of how we create our finals and the flow of our presentation, which is the research the alternatives, apply critical thinking, share your findings, read more, and evaluate information.
And this is what I've been doing. I created applications of generated AI. So this is a type of artificial intelligence that create new content such as text, images, and music or codes by learning patterns from existing data.
Generative AI is like a creative student who learns by analyzing a massive amount of existing content and then uses that knowledge to produce entirely new and original works.
Generative AI models train on large volume of data and can use different techniques which allow to learn the pattern and structure of existing data and originate new ones.
Generative AI refers to algorithms and models that can generate new content such as image, text, audio, or video based on input data and patterns learned during training.
Exploring generative AI involves studying and experimenting with algorithms that can autonomously generate new contexts, such as images, text, or music, based on patterns learned from the data.
Artificial intelligence, AI refers to technology that enables machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes recognizing images and speech, suggesting items based on preference, and understanding and generating human language.
Now, I'm happy to present the winner. The winner for the best infographic is Miss Gasgas, Angelica. Congratulations.